Welcome to Smart India Hackathon 2024. We are Team Tech Samarpan and our problem statement ID is SIH1640, titled Assured Contract Farming System for Stable Market Access. Our solution AgriTrade is a comprehensive platform designed to connect farmers with contractors directly through personalized contracts. AgriTrade also features AI-powered crop and price prediction tool to help farmers to make informed decisions. This is AgriTrade's landing page. Here you can see the details about our platform. Let's go to the login page. Here, we are clicking on Sign Up to create new user account. Firstly, user need to agree with AgriTrade's terms and conditions. Here, the user has already filled out the personal details required for both farmers and contractors, including their name, contact information, and address. The next step is to select their account type. In this case, user chooses farmer, which dynamically updates the form to request farmer-specific details. The farmer profile setup captures key details like farm size, land registry, and crop history, allowing for personalized contract recommendations. It also considers production capacity and access to financial service, transportation, and cold storage, ensuring transparency and accurate contract terms. On login page, user enters his credentials and login to our platform. After logging in, the user is taken to their personalized dashboard, which displays the status of their farms, whether it is occupied or available. In Occupied Farm, the user can access a detailed dashboard of the ongoing contract. Here, they can view essential details like contract start and end date, crop type, amount received, and remaining due. On clicking an available farm, the user is redirected to the Find Contracts page, where they can browse through available contracts and select the best one that fits their needs. Now, on negotiation page, we provide Stack Work Through button for users. For this demo, we will first test contract as a farmer. By clicking on a negotiate button, farmer can initiate a negotiation and place their bid. Additionally, by clicking on view bids, the farmer can see all bids submitted by contractors. Next, we will switch to the test as contractor lab. Here, the contractor can view the bids placed by the farmer, make their offer, and finally, if both parties are satisfied, the contractor can accept the deal to finalize the contract. AgriTrade offers 3 powerful AI tools to enhance farming decisions. First, the crop price prediction tool, where the user selects a crop, month, and quantity, and the AI predicts the price based on MSP data and market trends. Second, the crop and fertilizer recommendation tool analyzes the soil data provided by the users to suggest the best crop to grow and the optimal fertilizer to use for maximum yield. Lastly, our image-based disease detection system allows users to upload or capture an image of crop. The AI analyzes the image, detects any disease, and provides recommended steps for treatment. Next, we have the News and Expert Insight page, which keeps users informed with the latest developments in agriculture. Here you will find up-to-date news, major crop prices, and expert insights on the best crop for the current season. This page also provides valuable information on contract farming laws and government schemes, helping farmers stay aware of their rights and opportunity available to them. On the conflict resolution mechanism page, users first read and accept the guideline. Then, they can create an issue by filling out a form, and once submitted, user can easily track the status of their issue to monitor its resolution. On the Create Contract page, contractor can easily draft a new contract by filling in essential details such as crop type, quantity, delivery schedule, and any specific terms. Once submitted, the contract is available for farmers to view and negotiate. Last but not least, here is our AI-powered chatbot which can answer any of your queries related to platform as well as related to agriculture.